Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. So a while back I installed a Burger Motorsports oil catch can. It's been on the car for, 10 or 15,000 miles. I think it's time to check it and see if there's anything in the oil catch can. Now this is an M240i with a B58, the first generation, known to be pretty bulletproof. I'll start off by removing the air filter. Then remove the oil catch can from its bracket. Once off, let's take a look. I see a little bit of oil on the bottom. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, a couple drops of clean oil in the catch can. Not too bad. Okay, so let's clean this thing up, get it back on. Apparently the B58 in my BMW does a great job with oil blow-by. Is the oil catch can worth it? I don't know, you be the judge. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do me a favor, like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, I'll see you in the garage.